In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become a key player for startup companies looking to establish their presence and gain traction in a competitive market. With billions of users across various platforms, social media offers an unparalleled opportunity for startups to reach their target audience directly and cost-effectively. By creating engaging and shareable content, these companies can foster community around their brand, build lasting relationships, and enhance customer loyalty. Moreover, social media enables startups to gather valuable insights into customer preferences and behaviors. This data can inform product development and marketing strategies, ensuring that offerings resonate with consumers. Additionally, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter allow startups to showcase their products visually, making it easier to attract attention and drive sales. Networking is another significant advantage of social media. Startups can connect with industry influencers, potential partners, and investors, opening doors to new opportunities and collaborations. A single post or tweet can lead to invaluable exposure and support for a burgeoning company. Social media also facilitates real-time communication, enabling startups to respond to customer inquiries and feedback promptly. This responsiveness can enhance the customer experience, setting a startup apart from slower-moving competitors. Ultimately, in an age where digital presence is essential, leveraging social media effectively is crucial for startups aiming to succeed and grow. By embracing these platforms, they can not only promote their products but also build a vibrant community that drives their business forward.